If your 2019 Chevy Colorado suddenly stops recognizing your iPhone, these 5 steps will get your CarPlay back on track. Believe it or not, 85% of connection issues are solved by simply swapping to an original Apple-certified cable. Before you head to the dealership, let's run through the diagnostic checklist to find the culprit. A clean slate often fixes software glitches. Follow these steps to reset the handshake between your phone and the truck. Sometimes the issue is hidden in your iPhone settings, like Siri being disabled or a background VPN blocking the data. Don't overlook the physical ports. Pocket lint in your phone or a blown fuse in the footwell can kill the connection. Identifying if the problem is the cable or the Colorado's hardware will save you hours of troubleshooting. Most fixes are cheap, but if you take it to the dealer for a simple software reset, expect to pay a diagnostic fee. If it's still stuck, you can force a reboot of the MyLink system by holding the home and fast forward buttons simultaneously. Keep these simple tools handy to maintain a solid connection and keep your dashboard clutter-free. Remember, a simple phone update fixes more CarPlay issues than actual hardware repairs ever do. Thanks for watching. If this fixed your connection, hit that subscribe button for more Chevy Colorado tips.